Hello guys, welcome back to my weather channel. So first, we are going to start off with our temperatures. Obviously, towards the lake shores right now, it is going to still be into those 60s to 50s, but once you get inland, we are going to be in the lower 70s to upper 60s for our temperatures. Obviously, feels like temperatures has actually cooled down because of the wind and because we are getting a little bit more later into the night. I am going to turn over to our winds right now because we do have to clarify that. Oh wait, hold on. All right, okay. So our winds, obviously, strongest points towards north, towards Wisconsin, and people down in like Chicago. Winds are starting to cool down just a little bit, but it is still a little bit windy into the lower 30s. That is going to continue to drop down earlier tonight, and then getting more calmer. We should be into the 20s to upper teens with our winds later. So if you guys were interested in that, hold on one second. Now I gotta do something here. All right, so our radar right now, you can obviously see that we do have some showers still up north. That's going to continue to push that way. Down here, we may have a couple of pop-ups for tonight. That's going to pop up here. We do have some rain showers that might come in very late tonight, which is around like 11 p.m. and midnight, going all the way into early morning on Monday. Monday, we do have some severe weather coming in, which I am going to explain that here in a minute. Um, all right. So the severe weather that we are seeing for Monday is obviously we are still under that level 1 marginal risk out of level 5 high risk. And then people in the yellow is going to be under that level 2 risk. And then people in that orange is going to be in that level 3 risk. Mainly, this part is mainly winds. The main threat out of this whole system is mainly our hail. That's all because of a low pressure system right here with warm air here and cold air colliding, bringing in more hail. So that's technically why I am thinking that this is a more hail threat. And actually, in our risk categories, it shows a red line, which I'm going to show you if I have that. Yes, I do. So this is for Monday, and this is the hail threat. Obviously, you can see that this is the red part of it. Again, it's because warm, cold brings in more hail with these storms. Winds are still going to be the threat as well. It's just going to be the second one, and then the tornado threat just a little bit there. I'm not showing the tornado threat for tomorrow because it's not really the main concern. Main concern is our hail, and then the second one is winds. And then obviously with our hail threat, you can see that we are under that significant dashed black line. We might get an elevated risk because of this. Not really sure if that's going to happen yet, but we can see during the morning, tomorrow morning. Our Tuesday severe weather risk has changed. This dashed line right here is an increase in severe weather and significant. I'm going to have to guess probably portions of right here is going to like here to down here, all the right here, even into the Great Lakes, like I showed you, might get to that level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk. Not really sure if that's going to mainly happen yet. We have to get in closer to see. Tuesday is going to be our main threat for Michigan. And this I am watching very closely because I am not too positive that this is going to be good weather. I'm thinking this is going to be very bad weather, and I'm going to have to track this very closely because of that. But again, enhanced risk is possible down here. And if it does happen, it might extend all the way to Michigan, towards West Michigan, Kent County, and all of down. And then if it does happen to get more intense, maybe a level 4 moderate risk down here, but I'm not really sure if that's a big of a risk as of right now. So our window meter, we do have some calm winds for Monday. And then for Tuesday, we bump it up again into the lower 30s. So Tuesday, it is going to be windy. Wednesday, so Wednesday, it's going to calm down. And then Thursday is going to be windy again. Upper 20s, lower 30s again. Tuesday is like today's wind gusts. Friday, we're going to drop down. And then obviously Saturday and Sunday, we're going to start ramping our wind gusts up again. Next Sunday is looking like we might get up to the lower 50s with our wind gusts, but I am going to continue watching that for you guys just in case. So, our precipitation right now, obviously you can see that we have a whole heck of a lot of precipitation. This is going to be the case Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday possible with all severe weather. Tuesday, severe weather, but maybe a possible of an increase in severe weather, turning it to a bad severe weather. Bad severe weather is coming as of right now. But if that goes down, I'm probably going to have to take that off. But Monday is going to be early showers and storms. Monday is going to be dry, bringing in more late showers and thunderstorms. So tomorrow is going to be cloudy / partly cloudy tomorrow. So again, it's another outside day if you would want. Tuesday is another outside day, maybe a couple of showers, mainly towards our north on Tuesday morning, and then late afternoon into early evening. Late afternoon into all evening into very early Wednesday morning is those severe thunderstorms for Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm not really sure what the timings are. I am going to get the timings tomorrow for Wednesday. So just bear with me while I do another weather video tomorrow. And then again, Thursday is looking like a morning shower or late. Again, I'm not really sure. I will know all the details for Wednesday and Thursday for tomorrow. So there will likely be another weather video tomorrow. Friday, it's looking like mainly just rain. Again, still don't know what the timings are. It's looking like afternoon or late with a couple of storms. Okay, actually, I do know for Friday. Friday is looking like a morning one. And then next Saturday is also looking like another morning one with a possible severe thunderstorms for Saturday. It's not likely at this point yet, but it might. So that's why I put it half and half was Saturday next week. Our 7-day forecast may look a little bit confusing. This is only because we do have a ton of precipitation for the beginning of next week, starting tomorrow. Wind gusts are calm. Again, thunderstorms, and we are in a marginal risk, which is a level 1, with a high of the upper 70s of 76 degrees to 77. Tuesday is looking like to be our warmest day with a high of 80 degrees. I'm thinking that's going to go 2 more degrees higher with very bad severe weather possible. And I am watching that, and I did highlight the whole thing under red and purple. Wednesday, we do have more severe weather as of right now, looking like a 5% chance, which is a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, with the high into the mid 70s to lower 70s, a high of 74, 75. We are still into the 70, we are still in the 70s on Thursday and Friday. cloudy conditions Thursday and partly cloudy conditions on Friday. Maybe bringing a couple of showers in the morning on Thursday, but more intense winds are going to be coming Saturday and Sunday. We are going to drop more degrees on Saturday with the upper 60s. It's still going to be warm or cool, so outside if you want. I am watching a system Saturday that might turn into severe thunderstorms. Very windy on Sunday with sunny conditions. Next Sunday is looking like very cold, feels like temperatures. So be aware that we are going to start dropping our temperatures by the next Sunday. I am going to continue to track those severe thunderstorms, but as of right now, that was your weather.